What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got an exciting unboxing for you. We're going to be unboxing the Donner Arena 2000 multi-effects pedal. You might be aware of this, you might not, but hopefully after today's video this will be on your radar. So if you're into guitar and effects pedals and you want a versatile tool in your setup, this might be for you. This is strictly going to be the unboxing where we're going to open it up and see how this comes straight out the box. So if you guys are thinking about buying it and you're looking into it and you want to know what you get included, then we'll cover all of that in this video. Part 2 will actually be a user review where I've had some time to mess around with it, play around with it, put it to use, and to give you guys, an honest review. So anyway, let's keep this short and sweet. Yeah, let's just dive right into it and see how it comes straight out of the box. This is the box it comes in. This is how it looks. As you can see, we've got the Donner logo at the top, a graphic or an image of what we hope the pedal looks like on the inside. So as you can see, it's an amp modeling / multi-effects processor. Also, it was the European Product Design Award winner. That's pretty cool. Just a barcode and stuff, small branding there. Create the moment, people. Create the moment. Don't wait for the moment to come to you. Create it yourself. And then at the back of the box, we've got, hopefully it shows up well enough on camera, but we've effectively got a diagram with all the inputs and outputs that this processor / pedal comes with. So flipping the lid, here we go. All right, I like the way it's been packaged. It seems to be really secure. We've got these 2 foam holders either side, so that's not going anywhere. Firstly, it looks like we've got a power adapter. It comes with an attachment already on, but if this isn't native to your country you're in, it comes with varying adapters, which you can actually just press that button, that comes off. You've got the power adapter itself, and then you've got that attachment there if that's what you can use. So I believe this is just a typical 9-volt output. So yeah, this has been sellotaped really well. Yeah, 1 second, guys. Let me get the scissors. Right, we're in. I've had to. Yeah, there we go. Okay, we're in. So yeah, here you go. So we've got several adapters. I'm pretty sure this is going to cover everything that we need quite nicely. In fact, I'm going to use this one. So yeah, plenty of options there. What I like about Donner is that they really do think these things through. So yeah, so there we go. Cool. Here we've got a USB to Type-C cable. Could always do more of them. So thank you, Donner. Right, now let's get the pedal out itself. Let's get this thing out. Okay, so actually before we crack this open, we have actually got, I'm just going to set this aside gently. We have actually got the user manual, so I'll be definitely giving this a read before I use it. On the back of this is a registration code for a DAW for you to download. I'm not sure what the DAW is, but again, how well thought through of Donner is that? So, if you haven't got any DAWs or software to record with, Donner sorts you out. I'm not going to show you that because I'll probably redeem it myself. So there we go. The user manual and that. Very nice. Going to move the box out of the way. Let's clear the desk space. And let's get to the content that you're all here to see. The pedal itself. So as you can see, it comes in a standard cling film wrapper. Sellotape down, of course. Let's crack it open. Don't need scissors that time, thankfully. Look at it. Look at it. It's brand spanking new. You know what? I hate touching things like this because I'm going to get finger marks all over it. But look at it. Pristine, polished, clean. First thing I've noticed, it's got some weight to it. It's definitely got some weight to it. It's plastic on the back. We've got a metal casing here, a metal chassis. Yeah, and this is all metal as well. So it feels really good in the hand. It feels like it, this definitely feels like it's sturdy enough. Doesn't feel like you'll break it. And there are all the inputs and outputs. And of course, we've got an expression pedal as well, which I'm sure you can use for volume and wah and such programming. Yeah, I'm excited for this one. Really excited for this one. So yeah, I think the build quality is decent enough. We'll be going into the finer details in the next video. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, or else. But this is the pedal itself, guys. There we go. The Arena 2000 amp modeling multi-effects processor. Yeah, I'm excited to give this one a try. Cool. There we go, guys. So that's it. So out of the box, it pretty much supplies you everything you need. You get the pedal, you get the DAW, and you get the AC adapter with all its different attachments. Okay guys, so that's it. That's the unboxing of the Donner Arena 2000 multi-effects pedal. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, it helps the channel out. And if you like this type of content, make sure you subscribe there's loads more of this sort of thing coming. If you have any questions about the pedal itself, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'll see it, I'll get back to you. But yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.